Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Repl in Replit. All right, let's begin. First, go to replit.com and open your dashboard. On the homepage, click the Create Prompt bar to start a new project, then select Build. This opens the Repl Creator, which helps you quickly choose the right project type. Next, review the available options. You'll see choices like web app, mobile app, design, slides, and animation. For most cases, select web app to continue. After that, describe the project you want to create using clear and simple instructions. Once your prompt is ready, click Start to generate your project. When the project loads, continue using the agent chat to refine your app. You can request design changes, add sections like a contact form or navigation menu, and update content. This allows you to build quickly without manually editing every file. Check functionality and fix any issues. Finally, click Publish to deploy your project and get a shareable link. So that's basically how you can create Repl in Replit. That's it for this video. Thanks.